Here we go, guys.
Dad, can you do that?
Really cool.
Dad,
Nice Lego setup.
You gotta do that.
Yeah, no problem.
Can you make that? Very nice. Was there any other sets
Daddy,
in
can
this
you make that?
Oh my god, look at that. That's
Watch that
amazing.
pull one out in the whole group.
How long do you think that
sorry,
took to
I'll put it
make?
back.
This is a nice one too. Look at that.
Let's build that.
Oh, the T-Rex is not on. This is so cool.
It says it right here, look.
Yes, it does. Please do not feed.
Or touch. Feel the skin.
Yes. Wow, look at the lion, Michael. That's cool. They got dinos.
Raptor. Oh yeah, this is definitely Schleich.
That's not Schleich.
Exactly.
I know.
Ah! Let me go! Let me go! Let me go! What did you do to it? Yeah, the Harrison.
Please do not touch. That just invites me to touch.
That is so cool.
Wait, our hands can't touch it, but the dino can.
Ah, good one, Linz. Oh, look at all the Animal Planet stuff. Oh, wow, look at that. Crime scene.
Scoot under and lay there.
Oh. I love that.
It locks with the feet, and it has a timer.
That's neat.
And is there animal? That's cool. Look, the turn. You can put real things. You can put real targets behind it.
Ooh.
Let's shoot. Bring it down.
Give me that.
They don't have any power.
You going for 1,000?
That's
It was
cool.
Green Machine. I used to have something like this.
What age is this for?
For me.
No, really, they could fit in it, right? Yeah. Oh, ages 8 and up, yeah.
Wait, Michael! Wait, just look! Look at him run!
Ready? You're doing the Phoebe run from Friends. You guys used to try out every single thing you could sit on in Toys R Us when you were little. I don't know. Look at these dolls. I saw these at the other Toys R Us. They're so pretty.
Expensive.
They're 50% off at ours. Well, they were closing anyway, so
This one's
already.
like
That's why. Aww.
Oh my god, a lot
Those
of
are
me.
creepy.
A lot of me.
Do you like this one, Dad? Redhead.
Lots of me.
Somebody goes to
I have nightmares.
They should have put them in different outfits and they wouldn't look as...
snowboarder, look. Lindsey, look.
Oh, she's cool. Look at that. Lens. Look at the snowboarder.
There's a slider too. Oh, there's a camper.
Aww.
You sure it's just not messing? Helen's ready to vlog.
Beanie Boos. That is cute. I like going with the butterfly.
I get some sweet glasses too. Did you ever want a huge bow in your hair? Here you go.
Wow.
Here you go. Here's some
Yes.
bows. I walked past this stuff and didn't even notice it.
More Beanie Boos. They got a whole clearance
What
area
is
over there
this?
too.
It's zebra. Zebra?
Wait, do they have any squishies?
Wait, no.
Oh, look at that one. Is that one your favorite?
This one a fox.
It looks like it.
What kind of unicorn is that?
Oh, it's so pretty.
It's like a gold silver unicorn.
Oh.
Who's gonna fight yours?
What happened to this one?
What is that?
It is
A gift bag or something. Cute. More Beanie Boos. Oh, look at that one. That one's pretty. Oh my god. Look at what they have. Punicorn droplings. Look. Punicorn. I never saw those before. They're like blind capsules with punicorns in them.
Like 50
like
hours
this
on
one?
his chest.
Cute.
He's dead.
on the hair.
Love her hair.
Yeah, watermelon girl.
Aw. Look how cute.
Oh, we got that one for sale.
Look at them all.
It's different.
A Wrinkle in Time. Oh my gosh, those dolls are beautiful.
This is from the new.
Tomb Raider. Wow.
She's like an ant.
Is that a squishy?
It's only at Toys R Us.
Oh my god, we
It's a
found
jumbo-
a jumbo giant squishy. Let me see its face.
Oh, it's scented.
No, is it? What does it smell like?
It smells like cotton candy or
Oh.
that bubble yum.
Let me see its face. Or
It's
her
not.
face.
Wait, dude.
Really big. Oh, they have a glitter monkey. Look. They have the glitter ones, Linz.
Oh my god. That's a lot.
I am obsessed with this huge Squish Dee-lish. We found a giant squishy. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. That's cool. I've never seen a squishy so big, Linz.
Like this.
Lots of Hatchimal stuff.